earn $15 per minute for liking videos. Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. I had a great one yesterday because I just found out about this awesome new way of making free PayPal money as a complete beginner. To be precise, you can make up to $15 per minute just for liking videos using your computer or your phone and your internet connection on this awesome website. The other great thing about this method is that it works worldwide and it is really fresh. So it's going to work through 2023 as well. No skill, no experience is needed, only your computer and a little bit of your time are all the things that you need. Now, all you need to do is watch this whole video so you'll understand the whole strategy. So in less than 10 minutes from now, you'll completely understand how to shake the money tree without much effort. So let's get started. So this is the website right here, guys. It's called rapidworkers.com. Now on this website, you'll just simply sign up, complete a few tasks, and earn money. Over here, as you can see, you can become an employer. This is for the employers and this is for the workers. So if you're trying to earn money, all you have to do is just sign up, browse the micro jobs, select the job that you like, finish the task and submit a proof and earn money, and much more. So over here is an example of how it would look like. So over here, as you can see, this is the available task right here. And this is the amount you'll be paid, and this is the time that it should take you to complete it. Same thing over here. Follow me on Twitter. It'll earn 12 cents, and the completion time is just a minute. I mean, how long does it take to follow someone on Twitter? Like a few seconds. It doesn't even take a minute. So this is how it's going to earn you money. You have these simple tasks that you have to complete. You have the amount and you have the time and you're good to go. And once you're done, you will see the green tick mark over here and you are good to go. Payment methods include PayPal, bank accounts, Visa, Master, whatever works, and you are good to go. So let's go ahead and sign up and show you how you can earn money. So the sign up process is very simple. You just enter in your email address right here. You enter in your password and you just simply check I'm not a robot and you simply click on the submit button and boom, you are done. Next, it's going to take you over to the next part of the website. So to sign up, all you have to do is just simply click on the sign up button right here and you will be taken over here where you can go ahead and sign up. And of course, you have to adhere to these 4 rules. So you don't use any VPN to mask your IP. Don't create multiple accounts because your IP will be tracked. Hence, you cannot use the VPN and the same IP used for other accounts as well. Don't sign up onto other computers with the same account and doing other country jobs that you are not from. So you can't do jobs that from other countries. So for example, if you're from the United States, you can't do jobs in the UK. And if you're from the UK, you can't do jobs from the United States. This is all it is. So make sure you adhere to these 4 rules and you are good to go. So again, you enter in your name, your email address, your password, and the country where you're from, and you hit the I'm not a robot button, agree to their terms and services, and hit the create my account button. So let's go ahead and create an account. So just enter in the name, the email address, the password, and of course, okay, that's a little bit longer, and of course, the country you're from. And after that, your account has been created. You just have to verify your account with the email that they sent to your email box. And once you've done that, you are good to go. You will have 24 hours to click the link. So be sure to click the link. And after that, you can log in and start working with Rapid Workers to earn money. So this is how your email is going to look like, right? You just simply click on the email that they sent and just simply click on the link that they have sent you. And after you've done that, this page will pop up and it will tell you, congratulations, your account is now active and you are logged into RapidWorks. You can go ahead and create a new job offer or list available jobs to go ahead and start working. So let's go ahead and click on list available jobs. All right. And let's go ahead and log back in. All right, so here we go. So these are all the job offers that you can see right here. So you have your job names right here, where the jobs are targeted for, which country they're targeted for. So some are international, some are specific like Australia or US. Then you have your payments right here and time of completion and the status. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different jobs that we can go ahead and do it. And we can go ahead and get paid for doing these simple tasks like LinkedIn account, submit details, earn from old and trusted websites, best way out of here, earn the best way and very fast. Like we have to do these simple tasks like Cash App $750 card offer. We have to promote that offer. YouTube, we have to watch a video and subscribe to the channel. It'll only take 11 minutes to watch that complete video. And we have some smaller tasks as well for 2 minutes, as you can see right here. And they provide like 50 cents or half a dollar. And you can easily do these tasks in 1 minute or less than 1 minute and start earning a bunch of money. Like this one right here. It's almost $1 and a site with a method to make you earn fast and forever. So if you click on a task, right? And over here, we will get all of the details that we need. And over here, we have to, if the print screen is asked, use these three sites. So you have your instructions right here. Over here, you will earn this much. Your task is less than 5 minutes to finish. You have your IDs, you have your status and all of that. What is to be expected of the worker? You have to go to this site right here, sign up as a publisher, not advisor. Put the referral ID 507, the referral ID, complete your sign up, log into your account and click phone verification. Verify the phone number and email and upgrade your account to gold membership. And then you can use this site to print the screenshot. And over here, you paste the screenshot and you click on confirm that I have followed the instructions and completed this task. Boom, you are good to go. Very simple, very easy to do so. But that one is a little bit too much. So let's try to find one that is simpler and easy to do so. So let's go ahead and see right here. These are some of the featured tasks as well. So you can go ahead and change the target worker over here to whatever country you're from and you are good to go. But I would recommend that keeping it to, international, because that way it just gives you more options. And you can select the payment as well. You can go up to as much as $5. So there's only one job that's available for $5 and it's very easy to complete this task and it'll only take us 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and see what it is asking us to do. So over here, this is it. This is what it's asking us to do. So this takes less than 3 minutes to finish. All right, you have the campaign ID, campaign, whatever, right? So here are the rules, what is expected from the worker. So you have to go to this ID right here, this website, and click download, complete the 2 offers and enter all the required information to download the music file. And boom, you're good to go. And then send me the title of the music file. So you have to send the title. Over here, you have to type in the title of the music file that it asks you. You simply click on confirm I have followed the instructions and completed the task, and you are good to go. So let's go ahead and actually try to complete this one. So we'll click on the link, open it up in a new tab. Right here, we just simply click on download the music file. Over here, so these are the tasks. We have to complete them. All right. Subscribe, complete, take a free survey or whatever. Finish a short VPN survey to find out which is the best one for you. Let's go ahead and click over here. Now, I'm pretty sure you might have seen it, but this is how it is. So you have to complete 2 offers. So you click on another one and you stay on it, give it a couple of minutes, and then you can go ahead and download the music file down below and you should be good to go. So you have to finish this survey. Do you shop online? No, I do not. What data do you think? So let me just complete this one and I'll come back to you in a second. And once you're done with that, you should have complete option right here, and you've completed it. You could download the music file, enter the music file right here and click on the button and you are good to go. So this is how you make tons and tons of money in just a couple of matter of minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment down what you thought about it. And I hope you guys earn lots and lots of money. So thank you guys for watching. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.